11th standard, chapter 9, differential calculus, limit and functions. Differential calculus of limit and functions. So we have discussed about this chapter for limit and continuity. So what is limit and what is continuity? So there are three basic definitions. First one is limit, second one is left hand limit, third one is right hand limit. So what is limit? The basic definition of limit is f of x is any function. F of x be any function, then limit denoted by LT or LIM. Both are same notations. Limit LT or LIM. Limit f of x be a function, then limit x tends to, what is x? This function x. The x tends to x naught f of x equal to some existing value. This value for L. This value for L. It is called limit of function. The basic definition for limit is let f of x be any value, any function. F of x be any function, then the limit at x tends to x naught. X naught is any point on the function. For example, the graphs, for a simple graph, draw a graph, x-axis and y-axis. Some f of x is a curve. Let us assume that this one is f of x. X naught is any one point of x. This point is x naught. This one is x naught. So applying the definition for limit. So the limit exists at x naught. If the limit exists at x naught, then f of x is f of x limit x tends to x naught f of x equal to some finite value, These values are positive or positive. These values are positive or negative or zero. Anything else. If applying for x goes to x naught, this f of x goes to some positive value or some negative value or goes to zero, it is called limit of function. The basic definition is this. This is the basic definition. L is any finite value. L is meaning that any finite value. This finite value may be positive, negative or zero. If the function, if limit x tends to x naught, f of x equal to infinity, limit x tends to x naught, f of x equal to infinity, then this one is limit does not exist at the point. Limit does not exist at the point. It is clear that is the basic definition for limit. Then left hand limit is meaning that then the point x naught is a limiting point. This point approaches to left side of the function. Therefore, limit x tends to x naught minus f of x. It is denoted by limit x tends to x naught minus. This minus is denoted by left side limit or left hand limit equal to some L. Then RHS meaning that right hand meaning that this point x is the value approaches from x naught plus on right side. It is called right hand limit. This denoted by limit x tends to x naught plus f of x equal to L. It is clear that limit left hand limit equal to some finite value, and also right hand limit goes to some finite value. Both value are equal. If the both value are equal, then the function exists of limit at the point. It is clear that when the function f of x is limit exists at the point if and only if the left and the right limit are exist and equal value. Is the basic definition for limit. It is clear that the basic definition for limit is at the point, at any point. X naught is a fixed standard point, but the x naught is choose a choice for the property. The notation of limit. The basic definition of limit. The limit definition is f of x is a function, and the limit x goes to x naught equal to some L. It is called limit of function at x naught is a point. Then left hand limit is meaning that limit x tends to x naught minus f of x equal to some L. It is clear that also x naught is a x naught minus is left hand limit. Then right hand limit is noted by limit x tends to x naught plus f of x equal to L. Is the basic definition and the notations of limit and left hand limit, right hand limit. So we see that some examples of limit. This one is f of x. Is a f of x. For example, f of x equal to x square minus 1 is a function. To check limit x tends to 3. To check limit x tends to 3, f of x exists or not? Exists or not? Is this some examples for f of x? F of x is a given function. It is clear that f of x is a function from x square minus 1. To check limit x tends to 3, f of x exists or not. How to check the limit exists or not? First we have draw the rough graph. For example, f of x is a curve. This one is curve of f of x. This is the curve. F of x equal to x square minus 1. Then 3. For example, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the point. To find the limit exists of 3 or not. So basic definition for limit is to find approaches the value for x approaches to left hand line value 3 minus, and to find approaches to RHS value is 3 plus. Both are equal, then the given limit of exists at the point 3. Not equal, it is not exist at the point 3. Left hand limit. So left hand limit, basic definition for left hand limit x tends to x naught minus f of x equal to some L. So limit x tends to x naught. What is x naught? X naught is 3. So given point is 3. 3 minus f of x. F of x. Therefore, limit x tends to 3 minus f of x is function from x square minus 1. F of x is a function from x square minus 1. Replace x by 3. Therefore, 3 square 9 minus 1 equal to 8. The value of left hand is 8. Again, to check right hand limit. To check which is right hand limit. So right hand limit formula is limit x tends to x naught plus f of x equal to sum L. Therefore, limit x tends to x naught is meaning that 3 plus f of x equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x is x square minus 1. Replaced by 3 in given problem. Therefore, 3 square 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Therefore, the left hand limit value is 8 and right hand limit value is 8. Both are exist and equal. It is clear that both are exist and equal. Therefore, the function limit x goes to 3, f of x is exists. Therefore, the final result, the function limit x goes to 3, f of x is exists, is the limit check. To check the limit formula for some example. If limit left hand limit and right hand limit are exist, if left hand limit and right hand limit are exist, both are not equal, then the given function, the function f of x equal to x square minus 1 is limit does not exist. It is clear that therefore the limit does not exist are three possibilities. Graph of limit does not exist. Some graph of limit does not exist. Which one is does not exist? For example, x, y, draw the graph line, is the point, x naught is the point, it approaches the point to left hand side, x naught minus, the curve approaches the values, approaches to x naught, touch the point is this, or x naught, then approaches to x naught plus for the line, then the curve approaches to the point, another one point. Both are exist. This meaning that limit x tends to x naught minus f of x exists. Exist meaning that anything some value, and limit x goes to x naught plus f of x equal to exist. Exist means that all x is another one value, but both are not equal, then the function, the given f of x is limit does not exist at the point. It is meaning that, for example, limit x goes to x naught f of x equal to the value is 6, and limit x goes to x naught f of x, the value is 8. Therefore, both left limit and the right limit are exist, but not equal. The value is 6 and 8. So x naught, the point x naught is limit does not exist. Is the first one. First condition. Limit does not exist for first condition. And second condition is for any graph. And second graph is for any function is the point x naught. The function only approaches to LHS, left hand limit. X naught approaches to only for left hand limit, don't take right hand limit. In the case also limit does not exist of the point x naught. It's clear that so every function, the basic definition for limit is the basic definition for limit. Once again, repeat the basic definition for limit. Left hand limit and the right hand limit are exist and equal, then the point x naught is limit exists. Otherwise, left hand limit and the right hand limit are exist but not equal. The function limit does not exist. Second case is only left hand limit exists, right hand no limit, then the function x naught is also limit does not exist. And another one is only for x naught is the point, only for right hand limit, no left hand limit, then the function means the f of x, then f of x does not exist for limit at the point. It is clear that so any one of the point take to check limit exists or not. This point left hand limit and right hand limit both are exist and equal. This is the basic definition for limit. Further, we have discussed about some exercise problem. Exercise 9.1, 7 to 15th problem. 7 to 15th problem. Use the graph. Find the limit if exists. If limit does not exist, explain your answer. Is clear that? Find the limit. To find the limit value. If limit exists, we get limit value. Limit does not exist, we have to get limit value. So what is reason? Explain your answer. So now we have discussed about two problems. One problem is limit exists problem. How to exist for limit and how to find limit value problem. Another one problem is limit does not exist problem. Therefore, the seventh problem. Limit x goes to 3, 4 minus x. Limit x goes to 3, 4 minus x to find limit value. To find the limit value if when limit exists. Otherwise, this limit does not exist. What is the reason? So, the basic definition is the solution. The basic definition for limit is limit x tends to x naught f of x equal to some finite value is the basic definition for limit. And also left hand limit x tends to x naught minus f of x equal to limit x tends to x naught plus f of x equal to same L, then the function is limit exists. Otherwise not equal, the given function is limit does not exist. We check the limit point is 3. So 3 is the limit point. So given graph is 3 is the limit point. This one is f of x. F of x is a function from 4 minus x. So after just to left hand limit, to find left hand limit 3 minus, and also find right hand limit 3 plus. Both values are equal, then the function is limit exists at 3. If both values are not equal, then the function does not exist at 3. Is the basic concept and definition. So first we have checked it. Limit x tends to 3 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 3 minus f of x value is 4 minus x equal to applying x for 3, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Then find right hand limit x tends to 3 plus f of x equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x value is 4 minus x equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Then the left hand limit and right hand limit both value are 1 and exist. Therefore it is mean that therefore the given problem it is limit exists at 3 and limit value limit value is 1. Is the problem number 7. The given problem is limit exists at 3 and limit value is 1. Is the limit value. Problem number 7. So we see 11th problem. This problem is limit exists or does not exist. To check is the same limit point. So we see the solution. First we have to check it left hand limit. Left hand limit x tends to 3 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 3 minus what is f of x? 1 by x minus 3. Therefore limit x tends to 3 minus replace f of x. Replace x by 3 1 by 3 minus 3 equal to 1 by 0 equal to infinity. Infinity. It is meaning that the left hand limit does not exist. It is meaning that the left hand limit does not exist because infinity. Also right hand limit to check only one limit part. If left hand limit does not exist, therefore the given function is 1 by x minus 3 limit does not exist at 3. The given problem limit does not exist at 3. This one is does not exist for problem. This one is exist limit for problem. Basic problem. After